I'm extremely fond of highlighters, man. Like I just love highlighters. I want somebody to dip me in the pool of highlighters. If Hi everyone, this is Garima Singh and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a Nykaa haul. I wanted to do this from a very long time, but I couldn't as I fell ill, and I received this package about a week or two ago, and I wanted to do it right then, but I couldn't for some reasons. Okay, so this is the dabba that I got, and I'll show you one by one what all items I received. Okay, so this is the first thing right here. This is called the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aloe Aqua Gel, and this is something that I completely swear by, because since the day I've been using it, I ended up loving this product so much. It works as a great moisturizer. It hydrates your skin. Wait, let me show you. Okay, so this is how this looks. It has got a gel-like consistency because it's obviously an aloe vera gel. This is the next thing that I got. This is the makeup remover wipes from Nykaa, and it has got 30 wipes in it, and I'm always out of wipes, so मुझे order करना ही था. Okay, so you open this from here and you can pick one wipe one by one and use it. It is so convenient. Wow. Okay, so this is the next thing that I got. It's a pretty cute Nykaa matte nail lacquer. I'm extremely fond of nail polishes, and I keep getting one for myself. So this time I decided to go for a matte nail lacquer because I wanted to see how it looks on my nails. So this is how it looks. Can you see it has got a matte finish, and this is a very pretty shade. Okay. So the next thing that I got is this primer. My primer had expired, and I was so lazy that I did not order one for myself from ages, seriously from ages. So this is the primer that I got for myself, and this is called the Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer, and I've not used it, but I can swatch this for you. This is how this looks. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this L'Oreal Paris Revital Lift Crystal Micro Essence Soothing Plus Radiance Face Serum. Okay, so the face serum that I was using was from M Caffeine, and I decided to use this one from L'Oreal Paris. But you can take 2-3 drops of it, and you can use it before you apply your moisturizer or sunscreen. Okay, so do you see this lip shade that I'm wearing? Such a pretty and festive shade this is. Okay, so let me show you. This is the one that I'm wearing. This is from the Nykaa All Day Matte range, and the shade is called Darling Daughter. This is such a pretty shade, you guys. Do you see? Okay, so the next thing that I got is this pretty cute Nykaa Shimmer Brick, and this looks so beautiful, man. Wow. Let me swatch this for you. Okay. See? This will work as a perfect combination for a blusher and a highlighter. It just, highlights your face so beautifully. Let me show you how this looks. Oh my god. This is so pretty, and I'm extremely fond of highlighters, man. I just love highlighters. I want somebody to dip me in the pool of highlighters, if that would be possible. I know it's not. Anyways, forget it. It's so pretty. You can apply this on the high ends of your face and you're good to go. This is a pretty highlighter from Nykaa. And this is in the shade Want It All. Nykaa Shimmer Brick Want It All. Okay. Okay, so the last product that I got was this Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. It's a facial mist. You just have to spray this on your face and just good to go. And I wanted to get my hands on this from okay, from a very long time. And this is the one that I got. Okay, so that is it for today's haul. These are all the items that I got, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. And if you really did, give this video a big thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.